Do you ever find yourself managing multiple requests from all directions? Whether it's email, Teams, Slack, or even the break room, the requests don't stop. Pipefy simplifies request management by bridging the gap between requesters and the people fulfilling those requests for a simple and more agile workflow. From vacation requests to purchase requests and much more, Pipefy can handle it all. In Pipefy, you create forms that will be the starting point for all requests. They can be shared with people inside or outside your company, with peace of mind that your data will be secure. If you manage multiple processes, you can group several forms into a single request portal and centralize them on one page. When someone fills out a form, a request is created in Pipefy. And then everything gets easier. You can be sure that all the necessary information has been filled in, and requests are ready to be prioritized and assigned to the correct people. You can also set deadlines, automations, and specific notifications for each type of request. Pipefy keeps everyone updated on the status of every request. And if something is not right, you can communicate through the platform. You can also integrate Pipefy with your favorite tools, software, or apps to seamlessly share and update information between systems. Request completed? Perfect. Everyone involved has been notified, and you have a complete history in one place in Pipefy. No wasted time or scattered information. If you work in purchasing, HR, IT, sales, or any other department with many demands and people involved, Pipefy is the solution you've been looking for to manage everything in an organized, efficient, and secure way. Why not start right now? Keep exploring what else Pipefy can do for your company.